So today's cue card is describe something or someone that made a lot of noise. Hey guys, this is Navdeep, and before starting the sample answer, let's see some vocab words. It's frustrating as well as quite annoying while I have to concentrate on one particular task in order to complete it in a best way, and at the same time I hear noises which are unbearable. I reckon I have innumerable experiences when I had to tolerate different sort of noises, especially because of my neighbors. Whereas I have great bonding with society people, whenever I request them for something, they never let me down. Nevertheless, when it comes to children, it's really challenging for everyone to control them. Similar happened with me a couple of weeks back while my mother wasn't at home, so I had to prepare lunch by myself. As I am not expert in culinary skills, I was reading the recipe as well as cooking. Out of the blue, a music started which was deafening me, and I was unable to focus on my work. I analyzed that sound was coming from my neighborhood. Initially, I turned a blind eye towards it, but it was intolerable. I expected for a while that individuals would lower the volume by themselves, or a kind of little party was going on for a short time. On the contrary, after an hour that loud music was still going on, then I decided to visit my neighbor, and I was astonished when I saw two boisterous children who were dancing on that loud music at their home. I couldn't believe my eyes because they used to be so calm, quiet and well mannered all the time. Moreover, they noticed me at their door. It was hilarious when they asked me to join their company to dance on sofa because their parents were not at home. Then I comprehended that they seized the opportunity by doing things in the absence of their parents, which really gave them happiness. Besides this, I was pity for their grandmother who had extreme headache and she was unable to handle them. Finally, I turned off the music and I politely explained to them that what was wrong in their behavior. I also explained about demerits of loud sounds. I was immensely glad because they really fathomed what I was saying, and they promised me to never repeat this mistake again.